Anyone who knows me knows that I like to solve Rubik's Cubes. And I've been doing it for a while now. And I also kind of learned how to juggle recently. But I was wondering if I could learn how to do them at the same time, as in juggle in one hand while solving a Rubik's Cube in the other. One of my favorite YouTubers is Mike Boyd, and the main purpose of his channel is to learn your skills as quickly as possible, like spinning a basketball, juggling, stacking dice, or doing a wheelie. And he inspired me to try this out myself with the skill that I've been wanting to learn for a long time, which is juggling in one hand while solving a Rubik's Cube in the other. So in this video, I'm going to be filming the whole process of myself learning how to do this. Now I don't have juggling balls, but I do have socks. And as a kid, I learned how to make balls out of socks. All you have to do is put one sock in the other, and then twist it, put it inside out, twist it again, and put it inside out one more time. Then you have a ball. Now before I practice doing both at the same time, I think I should first learn how to juggle with one hand. I think it's like a circular motion, like that. Can't do it. My brain can't multitask. And I don't know how you would take your eyes off the ball and look at the cube to solve it. See, I can cube easily with one hand because I've been doing it for a long time, and I'm getting the hang of juggling with one hand, but I don't know how you would take your eyes off the ball and do it at the same time. Like, my brain just can't process it. I have no idea how people do that. It's really hard to think about what moves I need to do on the cube while juggling at the same time. It's like my brain can only focus on one at a time. I don't understand. I just need to get used to juggling first. Practice. I need to get a consistent throw because I need to be able to kind of predict where it's gonna land, because while I'm looking at the cube, I'm not looking at the balls, so I have to kind of what if I do this juggling? Oh, that's harder. I'm done for today. I forgot to bring the thing that connects the tripod to the camera, so had to improvise. I think juggling needs to be like second nature to me before I'm able to consciously solve the cube. I think I'm getting the hang of juggling, but I don't know if I can take my eyes off the balls. Definitely needs to be more consistent throws though. Can't even juggle properly. think the first few days is just gonna be me getting used to juggling with one hand. I've been juggling pretty low like this, but I wonder if you're supposed to juggle higher so you have more time to take your eyes off the ball. Oh shoot, I am so sorry.
So you want to have your hand in line with your shoulder and just practice throwing one ball for now.
What am I doing? I'm starting to realize that it's easier to hold the cube right in front of my face, so while I'm juggling, even if I look at the cube, the balls are still in my peripheral vision. I can actually solve the cube while juggling now. It's just that I have to not drop any of the balls during the entire solve, and that's pretty hard. I hate it when that happens. I hate that. Whiteboard, how do you do this? No! Look how close I was to finishing. Just one algorithm. Yes! I finished it! Yes! I'm I'm editing the video right now and I wanted to double check if I actually solved the entire cube without dropping any of the balls. And if you go frame by frame, you can actually see that before the cube is completely solved, I'm not juggling the balls anymore. Right there, you see that? Guess we gotta do this again. Yes. Yes. No! What is wrong with me? I'm getting so close. Camera's about to run out of battery. Please, please, I am begging you, please. Yes, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm so happy. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to PewDiePie. Peace. And recently, I also kind of learned how to... That is beautiful. I love it. And recently, I also learned how to... Don't break again! Ah, it hurts. It hurts. I can actually